everybody, welcome to Shondy World. Before we start, please like and subscribe to this video. Set the oven to 180 Celsius because we're going to make large Yorkshire puddings. And this is the size of the tray we're going to make it. 180. Now put it in the oven so it's nice and hot. First, we need some flour, eggs, some milk, and some seasoning. First, we need a ramekin of flour. Next, we need 1 ramekin of milk. One ramekin of eggs. Next, we need half a teaspoon of salt. Let's mix. Done. Now we need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes until the tray is smoking hot. We'll pour the mixture in here because it will be easier to pour it inside the tray. Now my dad's going to pour it in the tray because the tray is scorching hot. Here we have it, guys. Some of them went flat, some of them went big, and some of them went perfect, like this one. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you tried this and it's worked. Bye!